Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at the pricing for Magic Light AI. In order to do so, here we are at magiclight.ai, and we'll go ahead and start from scratch here. So let's start for free. And then from here, let's go ahead and log in. We'll log in with Google. A couple clicks of the button. And there we go. So what is the pricing? So if we come up here, we could see the subscribe option, and we do actually get 300 free credits to start. So that's quite nice. Let's go ahead and click on subscribe. And here you can see for yourself that we're looking at about $11 to $12 here for the standard plan, about $25 for the plus plan, and $33 for the pro plan. You get 6,000 credits with the standard plan. You get 15,000 credits with the plus plan and 35,000 credits with the pro plan. And this is for the monthly. If you look at the yearly, then that works out to be about $8 per month for the standard, $18, 17.3 for the plus plan, and about $24 per month for the pro plan. So you're definitely getting a good value there if you go with the yearly. But if you're looking for the monthly, then you're looking here at about $12 to get started. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, then you will get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. I can personally vouch for it. It's a fantastic bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.